Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel to Miss Dimple, and my name is Chaturthi if you're new here, and welcome to my Navratri series. Now, this is what my makeup looks like. It's very nice. It's very uh, I will not say more. Just I will say, if you want to know how I achieve this look, just then go. Let's start this video. So let's go. So I have already did my CTM, which is cleanser, toner and moisturizer. That is very important before starting your makeup. So before starting your makeup, CTM is most important thing. So CTM is cleanser, T is for toner and M is for moisturizer. Now for my cleanser, I always use Garnier Skin Naturals Bright Complete Brightening Deo Face Wash Fight with Dark Spot and Instant Brightness, because it has lemon extracts in it and white clay. And there is one more new Garnier face wash. I will pop the picture over here, and that is also very good that I have. But and to there I use toner. Now T is for toner. Now again I use toner, but this is one toner I use it. I don't know if you can see or no. You can see how much I have used it. Now basically this is a travel size small cute bottle, so I travel with this. And I also have in my travel case one Laneige toner. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing correct or wrong. It's Laneige, yeah, Laneige rice toner. So that also be in my travel bag. And then I use moisturizer. Now moisturizer I use my according to a skin type. Now this is for all skin type. This is Foxtail's moisturizer. It's a hydrating moisturizer, and let me tell you all, this moisturizer is heaven. Okay, it's really heaven because it is very nice. So I have done my cleanser already. I have did my toner. Now to just I want to use this moisturizer in front of you guys. So let me tell you all, I first this moisturizer was like very nice, so I'm using this moisturizer. So I use So guys, that's it for today's video. So this is my look, and now let me wear my gray clothes and I'll come right back. So guys, this is my final look. It's have turned so pretty and it has very nice detailing I have done. So I have seen this look on the Pinterest and it's very nice. And the one thing is missing, that is my oxidized nose ring, which I have not got. And so yes, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, what you have to do is like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my vlogging channel, because over there I'm going to do some vlogs, I guess. So till then, bye, love you, take care, and see you in the next video, which is Orange Day. So till then, bye, love you, take care.